Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update USB-C drivers for docking station recognition, full guide step by step clearly. To update USB-C drivers for docking station recognition, begin by ensuring your computer is powered on and connected to the internet. Open the Device Manager on your computer. You can access Device Manager by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. In the Device Manager window, locate the section labeled Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Expand this section by clicking the small. Look for any entries that mention USB-C or docking stations. Right-click on each USB-C entry and select Update Driver. A new window will appear with two options. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Your computer will start searching for the latest drivers online. If new drivers are found, follow the prompts to install them. Once installed, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. After rebooting, reconnect your docking station to the USB-C port. Check if the docking station is now recognized by your computer. If the docking station is still not recognized, you may need to update your system software. Go to the Windows Update settings by searching for Windows Update in the Start menu. Click on Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer again if prompted. If issues persist, visit the manufacturer's website for your docking station. Look for driver updates specifically designed for your docking station model. Download the latest drivers and follow the installation instructions provided. After installation, restart your computer one more time. This process should ensure that your docking station is recognized correctly. If you continue to experience problems, consider trying different USB-C ports or testing the docking station with another device. This can help identify whether the issue lies with the docking station or the computer itself. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully update your USB-C drivers. Now, your docking station should work seamlessly with your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.